Hi guys, and today we're doing a new series. This is World of Warships Legends. I mentioned it in the last video, it was a Minecraft one, and we're gonna do some games on it. Like I said last episode, we're gonna do some live streams, and I want you guys to tell me in the comments so look at these are the live streams that I have in my mind. So we could either do some Roblox ones, some Minecraft, or some World of Warships Legends. Anyway, you can tell me what you would like to see in the comments, and I shall do it. So yeah, so here we got some gameplay. This isn't my only ship. This is one of my ships. I'm just trying to work with my American battleships. So yeah, this is the one I've got to right now. I've got to the New York and trying to get to New Mexico. And yeah, we got a few spotted already. Now, some of the things I don't really like about these battles is people just can absolutely destroy you. They can, if you give them the right angle or the right broadside or something, they can destroy you. They can literally do it. I've seen it myself. I've done it myself, and it's happened to me quite a lot. Now, yeah. World of Warships is a free game to play with in-game purchases. So yeah. Look at them beauties. Pow! Pow! What a hit, guys. But an actual hit that were. Half of his health now belongs to me. Now, yeah. If you'd like me to go over my builds, on my warships, I will gladly do so. If you would like to copy, that's totally fine. I'll do that. And got him. Not as much now. This Mahan, however you pronounce it here, is probably sending torpedoes as we speak. And sure enough, they will hit me if I am broadside up. Now, again, this Dallas. There's only one word I can put this Dallas as. Stupid. Coming broadside on, no health to me. It's just death. But then the Dallas realises his mistake and turns away. Now that is not good. Also not good because look what we have here. Two destroyers. A Farragut and a Mayhem. Now, they're sending torpedoes. More likely than not, they've sent torpedoes and they're on their way to kill me. I'm sure that will happen. Well, the thing is, this Dallas is just begging for it again. Isn't he? He's just give me them shells, boys. Fortunately, now tops are going to probably be coming from this side, aren't they, guys? So, yeah, there we go. Tops come there. Come from there. I don't know where this guy is. So this is dangerous. But as you can see, we're way ahead of these guys. We have so much more points on them. And it looks like from here, looks like a certain win, doesn't it? But all bases capped. We have not lost a ship. We're doing great. Now here, the Farragut shows himself. Why? I'm a battleship fan. Sure enough, I turn to HE, and I'm going to start blowing this guy from the moon to the moon and back now. He's trying to kill Arizona here. Arizona takes the top. Yeah. He's alrightish. But then these other ones here. Well, we gonna help this Arizona. So, he didn't take as much damage. Might be his build. Might be his lucky. Might be his hit points. Might be just my eyes. But yeah. Anyway, so we've got nobody in range just yet, but we have this Farragut. This somewhere near us. Now, this Fuso over here is going to probably gonna get blown up by the Queen Elizabeth. But if she doesn't, he's cornering the Farragut. And the Farragut just got absolutely nuked.
Enemy destroyer sunk.
Now that just shows why you don't stay still when there's a battleship with HE loaded. Just don't do that, guys. It won't end really well. It won't, promise me. I promise you. Promise me you'll never ever do that. Anyway, now we only have the aircraft carrier and some battleships left. Now, I want to get in range with one of these battleships so I can absolutely blast them. But I'm not in the range. Now this is Tennessee. It's nearly in range, but obviously she disappears or he disappears. And I'm guessing he's gonna try. It's gonna try capture Cap B. Now we already have the Fuso capping D. But we have our other battleship, probably the Warspite in it. I can't tell. Yep, Warspite B. Going for him. Now this Tennessee is now in our range to kill him. Or her, I always get it wrong. It could be any of them. He or she, one of them.
Our victory is in sight.
I just call her she because it's what I call them. Now, I don't know if they were friendly bullets or friendly shells, however you say it, but I don't know. No, I sent some rounds at Tennessee. Probably miss. Anyway, oh yeah, this is Queen Elizabeth. They didn't miss. Very nice. Is Queen Elizabeth going to maybe try to... Well, that's Queen Elizabeth is going to get finished off by our Arizona here. Probably. Hopefully. Because I don't want to waste my shells. And obviously, she's left with enough HP to survive. Now this Tennessee kind of knows what's happening here. He kind of knows he's against some pretty decent warships here. And he's kind of turning broadside on to an American warship. Now, I'm not American, I'm British. This is for the British Navy, Sonny. We reign superior. And we miss. With one ricochet. Know what else went in? No. I noticed right there, my two shells look kind of accurate, and so do his. Well, they look accurate. Doesn't mean they are accurate. Looks can be deceiving. But these ones probably are as well. I mean, we get a hit off. Not as much damage. Anyway, Queen Elizabeth is dead to fire. Me and this Arizona can easily take out this Tennessee. Probably. Well, he's the only one left, this Tennessee. We ain't not gonna let him get away with this. Now, I have not taken a single hit point off half my health this match. That's good. That's pretty good. And then we win that game. No problems at all. Absolutely none. Now, a lot of money there. Come top of the team. Especially good. Now, that's good. We got 24 shells hit. We destroyed a warship. We set a fire to one. Oh yeah, probably. We got a citadel and we defended one of our bases. Now, I do hope you enjoyed that. And so I'm gonna show you my commander. It is Willis Lee. I think that's how you say it, isn't it? Yeah, Willis Lee. Okay, now, so, got our inspirations are, should not be him. So, for one of our inspirations, we might have, so let's have a look for who we might want for one of our inspirations. Don't we have a British one or something that was really good? Oh, yeah. Now, so we have him as one of ours. Him. We want him. So we got our two inspirations here. So we got this guy as our Willis Lee as our commander. For our inspirations, we have Otto Kiliax and Andrew Cunningham. Now what I like is this. We got the Brawler, the Crisscross, the On Second Thought, and this. We can't get this just yet, can we? I'm not sure. We probably could. There we are. Now the one you always want for that is Will to Rebuild. Okay, and so far, yeah, we haven't got this yet. We don't have enough credits. We do. So let's just maybe put I'm gonna put this so I can rebuild. Then we got its hull, targeting system, and its engine. Now, for our loadout, we have the red, white, and blue camo. We got the legendary birthday 21 camo. We got these boosters. We've got this enhanced secondary target, 3 repair parties, and infinite damage control, like that. Stats, 5 ability, 49. Yep. Armor's pretty nice. So is a torpedo reduction. Artillery firing range 14.2 kilometers. Reload time that 10 times 50. Okay. HE 5000. Nothing what we saw against that. Farragut. Maximum AP shell damage 10,000. Now, I like this. A defense, ability. Anyway, yeah. So, I want to show you guys all the warships I have before we end off this video. So for USA, we have the Clemson, the Farragut. For cruisers, we don't have any cruisers, sadly. But we have the Albany, who's one of them. We got the New York, and we're trying to get New Mexico. Or we could get Nevada, but I don't really want that. And then we don't have any aircraft carriers. For our American, for Japanese, we got two cruisers. We got one destroyer, Mitsuki, and then we have the Fuso, our battleship. We have the Icarus, Leander, King George V and the Vanguard. Got T-22, Dredson, the York, and the Bayern. got the Jaguar, the Emile Baton, and the Britannia. We got the Isolava, the Nevny, the Novik, and the Kirov. And then we have the Gisuano. And then that's it. Pretty decent. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you do enjoy it. Let's get. This is an odd number. Let's get 1.1112 lakhs, my guys. I know that is kind of crazy, but anyway.